Hi everyone! Today we'll show how you can bring ChatGPT features into your PowerPoint slides by using AI Perfect Assistant. Our first scenario will be summarizing PowerPoint slides to get a quick catch-up of a long presentation. Open the AI chat and ask it to summarize your slides. You get a quick summary of a longish presentation in just several clicks. Next case we'd like to demonstrate would be converting any piece of text into a structured slide for your presentation. Highlight or pass the content you need to add to the slide. Choose Text to Slide tool and hit Generate with AI. That's it. You get several variants of unpolished PowerPoint slides right in seconds. Our third example would be outlining a presentation. To get well-structured slides, you'll just need to input the topic. Choose Create Presentation Outline tool. Input the topic of your presentation and hit Generate with AI. You immediately get variants of outlined slides that you can insert directly into your PowerPoint presentation. The last case for today is optical character recognition. It will help you turn screenshots or images into text for your slides. Choose Optical Character Recognition tool and paste or upload the intended image and click process with AI. In a click, you get a styled version of the text from your image that can be used on your slides. Well, that's all we wanted to share today. Hopefully the video was useful and insightful. If you also want to bring ChatGPT functionalities and efficiency right into your PowerPoint presentations, try AI Perfect Assistant today.